Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel. I am TheBrownCanvas. If you have been here before, welcome back. And if this is your first time, hello. Thank you for stopping in. Thank you for checking out my channel today. And if you have not subscribed, please be sure to go ahead and hit the subscribe button before you head out. I decided to go ahead and do a nude lip swatch for women of color, specifically darker skin. So first things first, let's just go ahead and let's just take a deep breath in and exhale. One more time with me, y'all. In, exhale. Okay, and I know that times have been crazy, it's been heavy, it's been intense. Do whatever it is that you feel is necessary to unplug. If you want to have a certain day of the week that you just don't go on social media, or if you want to take a 3-day fast from it, a month fast, hell, a 6-month, whatever it is that you need to do, please be sure to protect yourself in the process. But let's go ahead and let's get into it. I'm sending nothing but good vibes to you guys. So the very first color that I'm going to be trying on for you guys is actually a lip gloss, and it is from Wet n Wild. It's from their Mega Slicks line. The color is Great Correlation. So it's supposed to be like the word correlation, but it's spelled out coral hyphen and then nation. This is what it looks like. First color, let's go. Alright, y'all, so there you have it. This is Wet n Wild's Correlation lip gloss, and I think it retails for about $1.99, no more than $3, but this is what it looks like, and it's definitely more on the pink side. And if you are just looking for an everyday nude lip color that you don't have to wear liner with, then this would definitely be good for you. And it is very inexpensive, so inexpensive, and it's easy to find. All right, let's go ahead and try on the second color. The next color that I'm going to try on for you guys is actually going to be a lipstick, and it's by MAC, and I've had this for a couple of years now. This color, let me just show it to y'all. The name of it is Naturally Eccentric. Can y'all see that? So that's really like, and I'll do a swatch on my hand for you guys so you guys can see. All right, so that should give you an idea of how nude this is. And this is definitely a color, if you don't like your nudes to be on the pale side, then this is not for you. And you definitely need a liner with this. As a black woman, specifically as a chocolate girl, you need some liner with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll try it on for you guys without the liner so that you can see, of course, what it looks like. Don't get scared, don't get alarmed. Okay, so of course this looks crazy. Okay, say it with me, this looks crazy. But I'm just gonna go ahead and of course line my lips. All right, so this is what it looks like, tamed down a little bit. If you want, you can definitely add some more. For some people, it may be a little bit too pale, too chalky looking, but this color is great for those people who like their nudes to be a little bit more on the pale side. Okay, guys, so the third color is gonna be by Bare Minerals. It is called Spice, and it's more of like a coral nude. That's what it looks like. It feels good. It's kind of kind of matte. It's not like a drying matte, however. All right, so this is the color. I actually really like this. This is such a great summertime color, I think. I like wearing corals in the summer specifically, and it's just right. So what do you guys think of it? I like it. Very good, Bare Minerals, very good. All right, y'all, the fourth color that I'm gonna try on for you guys is from the Too Faced Melted line, and the color is Chocolate Honey. Now this is more of a brown nude. If you are someone who likes your nudes to be just very much more chocolatey and muted down, then this would be perfect for you. And it is a liquefied longwear lipstick. This is what it looks like. All right, so this is what the color looks like. Once again, it is called Chocolate Honey, and it is by Too Faced. All right, y'all, the next color is one of my favorite go-to nude lip colors, and it is by, who is this by? Wait a minute. Hang on, because it has rubbed off, but I'll go ahead and I'll leave the product info in the description box for you guys. This is what it looks like, and the color is Rebel Rose. This is it without anything. This is straight out of the bottle, and then it dries pretty quickly, so just a heads up, if you do happen to purchase this, you gotta move quick with this shit, okay? This is what it looks like, and I have worn the hell out of this thing. I will say that. It's a color that I love. I always wear it with lip liner, never without. Next color I'm going to be trying on for you guys is actually a lip gloss, and the brand is She Makeup. I got this from the beauty supply store, number 6, color number 6. So either way, let's try it on and see what it looks like. All right, so here you go. So if you like your nudes with a hint of, I would say, pink and coral, then definitely this would be for you. It is a lip gloss, so you would definitely have to be like reapplying it throughout the day. I think I showed you guys the bottle, but this is what it looks like. And it is from She, S-H-E, She Makeup. I have never heard of this brand before, but I will say I like this lip color. Next color is actually from Wet n Wild, and it is, what's the name of it? Skinny Dipping. Y'all know what we about to do. We're just gonna go ahead and do our lip liner like we've been doing. This is what this color looks like. It is a matte, it's like a satin satin matte texture, so it does feel just like a little bit, I wouldn't say like dry, but there's just like a bit of resistance going on, which I'm totally fine with. But this is what it looks like, and once again, it is from Wet n Wild. I can see this color being a staple for me as long as I have my lip liner in hand. I would definitely rock this for sure. This one is from Stila. Looks like this. So this is what it looks like. Super nude, very muted, but once you add that brown to it, it definitely tones it down even more. Next color is going to be by Estee Lauder. It is a lipstick, and the color is called Envy. Voila, this is what it looks like. Very muted, very much on the more mauve brown side. It is perfect for anyone if you are looking for a lipstick that you can just put on. Honestly, you can wear this by itself, or you can wear it with the liner. I prefer it with the liner, but whatever works for you. But this is definitely something that can be worn every day. It's a subtle nude. So okay guys, so we have one more color, and it is by, let's see who this is by. It's by Eternal Shine. This color is called Papaya Whip, and it is very much on the pale nude side. And this is what it looks like. I like it by itself, but okay guys, that is going to complete the nude lip swatches. Let me know what you guys think. I tried on 10 colors, so there has to be at least 1, 2, or even 3 colors that caught your attention on here today. Lip colors, there are a gazillion nude lip colors out there that can work for women of color and dark-skinned women. So definitely let me know what you guys think down below of the colors that I tried on. I thank you guys for watching once again, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.